Hey, what's up, YouTube fam? Welcome back to another exciting episode on my channel. Today, we're taking a trip back in time to the groovy era of the 1950s and exploring the iconic Volkswagen Bus from 1950. Get ready to ride the waves of nostalgia. Now, let's talk about this classic beauty without constantly repeating its name. The Volkswagen Bus 50, also known as the VW Type 2 or the Transporter, is a true symbol of freedom and adventure. It captured the hearts of millions and became an icon of the counterculture movement. The bus was more than just a vehicle, it was a way of life. With its unique and unmistakable design, it stood out from the crowd. The rounded shape, the split windshield, and those charming sliding doors made it instantly recognizable. Step inside the bus, and you'll be transported to a different time. The interior was spacious and versatile, making it perfect for both family road trips and epic adventures with friends. With seating for up to 9 people, you could bring the whole crew along for the ride. But it wasn't just about practicality. The Volkswagen Bus had a soul. It represented a spirit of freedom, peace, and love. It was a symbol of breaking free from the constraints of society and embracing a more laid-back and carefree lifestyle. Under the hood, you would find an air-cooled engine that might not have been the fastest, but it was reliable and easy to maintain. It was all about the journey, not the destination. Cruising down the road in a VW bus was an experience like no other. Before we wrap up this trip down memory lane, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button if you enjoyed this video.